Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Mehendagarh. Today our topic will be charge. Chapter electricity, topic number first. What do you mean by charge? Dear student, in 10th class, there we will discuss about the two fields, electric field and magnetic field. So charge is a property which is possessed by is a force which is experienced by every object when it is placed in external electric field or magnetic field. In external electric field और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, जब भी किसी भी बॉडी को एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर रख दिया जाता है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड चार्ज. उसके द्वारा एक फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस किया जाता है. इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, इफ वी डिस्कस दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज इक्वल टू F अपॉन Q. Because force is experienced in electrostatic, F is equal to Q. So from here Q is equal to F by E. In magnetic field, F is equal to QVB. From here Q is equal to F by VB. This is the force in electric field and this is the force in magnetic field. Here V is the velocity, because magnetic field only possible when the charge is moving. Magnetic field is only possible when the charge is moving. So Q is equal to F by V. So now we will discuss about the charge units, SI units, CGS units. So SI unit of charge, SI unit of charge is Coulomb. SI unit of charge is Coulomb, denoted by capital C. Denoted by capital C. CGS unit, state Coulomb. State Coulomb. CGS unit is state Coulomb. Charge is represented by Q. Charge is represented by Q. Now properties. There are basically 4 or 5 properties. First, similar charge repel to each other and opposite charge attract to each other and opposite charge attract to each other. Second, charge is additive in nature. Third, charge is conserved. Charge is conserved means that charge neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one body to another body. Fourth, charge is quantized. Charge is quantized means Q is equal to plus minus any It means that total charge on a body is the integral multiple of charge on electron. Total charge on a body is equal to the integral multiple of the charge on electron. These are the properties of charges. Now, suppose that this is a blackboard. Here is minus 5 coulomb, 6 coulomb, 2 coulomb, minus 7 coulomb, minus 10 coulomb, minus 18 coulomb, 12 coulomb. So many charges at the blackboard. How much the total charge on this blackboard? To get the total charge, we add all of these charges. Suppose we add minus 5 plus 2 minus 7 plus 6 minus 10 minus 18 plus 12. We add all of these charges. So minus 5 minus 7 minus 10. So यहाँ से हमारे पास माइनस का 12 माइनस का 30 माइनस 40, टोटल माइनस 40 प्लस का 8 और प्लस 20 6. Charge will be equal to minus 14 coulomb. So total charge on this board is minus 14 coulomb. Total charge on this board is minus 14 coulomb. That property is called additivity. So charge is additive in nature. It means that if we have to know about the total charge on a body, then we add the all charges on the body. अगर हमें किसी बॉडी के ऊपर टोटल चार्ज निकालना है तो हम उस बॉडी के ऊपर लगने वाला जो चार्ज है उसका क्या निकाल देंगे, उसका सम कर देंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड द एडिटिव इन नेचर. बट क्वांटाइज इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द इट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वांटाइजेशन we know that Q is equal to plus minus N. Q is equal to plus minus N. Q is equal to charge on a body. Total charge हम बोल देंगे charge on body. N is equal to number of electrons, and E is equal to charge on each electron. और E का वैल्यू 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb होता है. Charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Now, suppose there are 8 coulomb charge on a body. Calculate the number of electrons on the body. Calculate the number of electrons on the body. Dear students, according to formula, Q is equal to plus minus N in. So Q, here is Q given. Q is equal to 8 coulomb and E is equal to always 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. We have to calculate the N. According to formula, we know that Q is equal to plus minus N. So from here, 8 is equal to plus minus N और into में 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So N is equal to 8 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Minus 19 ऊपर चला जाएगा. 8 into 10 raised to power 19 divided by 1.6. That equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 19 electrons. So number of electrons is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power 19. That is the number of electrons on that body which consider a charge of 8 coulomb. Thank you everyone.